I'm staying safe. So today I'm gonna tell you 20 mysterious facts about our universe. So let's begin. Number one. So it would take 9 years to walk to the moon. I would like to do that actually. Number two. So Mars, we know it's a red planet because of its red coloring, which comes from large amount of iron oxide, which we call as rust in our Earth. Number three. So Mercury's temperature varies from -280 degrees Fahrenheit on its night side to 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. Number four. So if you can spot the Andromeda Galaxy, which is other galaxy than the galaxy that we live in, we have infinite galaxies. So if we can spot this with our naked eyes, we can see this actually actually the distance we are seeing it through is like 14.7 billion miles. I mean, we can somehow, it's a special ability for someone who can see it like that. Okay, number five. So the sun is 400 times larger than the moon. We know sun is larger than moon, but also 400 times as far as away, making both objects appear to be in the same size in our sky. Number six. So we know that Jupiter is the largest planet with the red spot. So it could contain 7 other planets in just 70% of its volume. You can see how many Earths we have right there in just one Jupiter. I mean, I feel amazed. Number 7. So stars don't twinkle until the light passes through Earth's atmosphere. This is, kind of physics. I mean, refraction and reflection. Refraction and reflection. Number 8. So if the Earth were the size of a tennis ball, let's assume the sun would be a sphere of 24 feet across, approximately 0.5 mile away. That's amazing. Number 9. Of the 9,113 official features found on the moon, only just 421 of them are actually not craters. Remaining rest of them are craters. But we think all of them are craters, but not all of those. Number 10. So driving a car at a speed of 70 miles per hour would take to the nearest star. It takes more than 356 billion years. Number 11. So this is Neptune. We know it's the last planet in our solar system. So its moon, which is called Triton, this is the coldest planet in our solar system with a temperature of -391 degrees Fahrenheit. I mean, literally any hot object would even freeze in few milliseconds. Number 12. So when the moon is half full, the phases of the moon, if you remember, I mean the first and last quarter phases, it's only 10% as bright as the full moon. You can see the phases right here. So it's just like 10% as bright as full moon. Next, number 13. Scientists estimate that earliest stars formed some 200 million years after the Big Bang. The Big Bang is the main reason why we live today. The dust produced from the Big Bang is the reason the dust produced stars, the dust produced human bodies. Yeah. Number 14. So we know Jupiter's red spot, but it's actually not a crater. It's an anticyclonic storm 22 degrees south of the planet's equator. I mean, if we zoom in, it's going to be actually like this. It's a storm, Number 15. So if you drill a tunnel through Earth and you jumped in, you would reach the other side in just 42 minutes and 12 seconds, and your traveling speed would be 17,670 miles per hour. But I'm scary. Okay. Number 16. To escape Earth's gravity, a spacecraft must travel more than 25,008 miles per hour, or at least, March 33rd. We don't have a March 33rd, so, we should travel at that speed so that we should reach March 33rd. I don't know, that remains a mystery. Number 17. So it takes 1 billion seconds for the light from a star 31.7 light years away to reach Earth. So a light year is nothing but how many years it takes for a light to travel. Number 18. So the International Space Station completes an orbit of Earth in about 90 minutes. So yeah. Number 19. So Venus, the second planet in our solar system. Venus clouds trap a lot of sun's heat, making its temperature the hottest in the solar system with 863 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 20. In the Milky Way, which is our galaxy, if it was a size of a tennis ball, the Andromeda Galaxy, the other galaxy that I just told before, it would just like 5.6 feet away. The distance would be 5.6 feet. And the Andromeda Galaxy is also known as some term, space station term. I mean astronaut term, M31. Yeah. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and help us grow more. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.